Make a great choice today with the 2017 Golf Alltrack. The Volkswagen Golf Alltrack is a well-refined wagon that comes equipped with high-end features throughout. Advanced technology, fantastic handling, and powerful yet smooth engine make this the perfect choice. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.